been in West Bengal. We're waiting for breakfast.
Today it's a bit cloudy, otherwise.
Yes, but the colour is just beautiful. Here we are at Pima School in Ravangla.
Before it was grass out there, no?
It was a what?
Especially you can see the lawn.
Yeah.
Especially in the rainy season.
You're going to be in the movie if you stand there any second longer. This is Pima School.
Hello.
This is the hostel and the dining.
And my dear friends, I, Tasirmu Bhutia, on behalf of Demazong English Academy, would like to extend vigorous welcome to our honorable guest who had come all the way from Australia. First of all, we are very much thankful to Sir John and Madam Judith for sending thousands of books for our library, from which we are gaining lots of benefits and reference in our subjects.
Slowly. Don't read
Now
so fast.
we realize that library is a great assist for the children in the field of education. Once again, we the students of Demazong English Academy feel privileged to have you as our promoter and would like to express our gratitude by offering a bouquet of flowers. Country road.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, have you done it all?
And listen to the teachers and work as hard as you can. You know, the teachers.
There's Mount Kanchenjunga, the second highest mountain in the world. It's really the first time I've seen it, because it's always in cloud.